So this is called the maximum depth of N-ary tree. So basically, this problem is very simple as you just want to find the height. But in this video, in this problem, you call it maximum depth. So basically, it's very straightforward that this tree has maximum depth 3 because 1, 2, 3, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, so I guess everyone knows about how to solve the heights of the binary tree. So basically, this N-ary tree just similar. So first, if the root is none, that means there's no tree, then we return 0, right? This is straightforward. So if somebody give you a root and but this root has no children, so for example only 1, then height is just 1. Then you just return all the maximum depth of its children and add the original one, right? So this is just for each children you calculate the depth of this. For example, to calculate the depth of this 1, you just calculate the depth of this 3. So depth 3 is just 2, depth 2 is 1, depth of 4 is 1, so 2, 1, 1, and then you take the maximum, which is 2. 2 plus 1 is 1, right? So this just the philosophy of the code. So this is the most important step. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and I will see you guys in other videos, but be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.